Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts in Lecanto, Florida. We have another building that we just put up on the property, and that will help us in having more storage because we've grown so much as a truck mount company, manufacturer of the famous Blue Baron truck mount and access point heat exchangers. Building came out really nice, and we are going over to the other building because I wanted to talk about heat exchangers. And they just come out really beautiful. We've got so many people buying into these units because they do augment your heating system, allowing you commercial heat and stable heat. So we're going in from the back way here. And so we've expanded. So we got another small factory building, and it's been really, really busy. Between the access point heat exchanger sales and building new Blue Baron truck mounts, all our accessory lines, we soon be coming into a freshwater tank, specially made for the compact series. Typically, we were using the tank for the wider units, the SE series, but in this case, we'll have one shipped in today, and I'll have a video on that as well so that you can match up your compact unit with a freshwater tank subwell underneath it. So here we have the access point heat exchanger. We got some shells here. These are typically for the economy 36s or 45s or 47s that go to the undercarriage. And the thing I wanted to say is that we can build any header for Vanguard, Kohler, and Honda. And typically what we do is we stage up. So what we do is we start out as 1 inch, and then we work our way up to 1.5 pipe nipple because the industry is a little difficult when it comes to flex hose. So we use a 1 7/8, and that fits snugly on a 1.5 pipe nipple. This is all stainless. We can build to meet your specifications and the architecture and infrastructure of your truck mount. It can be hung down at the bottom. We can build brackets. We can teach you how to do temperature control. And whereas, companies have gone out of business like John Donne, but we're still strong because we have pricing that's affordable. We're factory. We're not distributors and talking about something we know nothing about. We've got great customer service. If you want to show me a design of your unit and show you exactly what it is that you need, I can work that out for you and also teach you how the heating system works. The heating system is just unbelievable, and it will help you in the process of maintaining heat. And we build the manifolds as a separate piece, and then we can just piece it all together and get that truck mount, whether it be garage built or whatever, or a manufacturer's older unit. We can help you get the best heat possible so that you're not spending a lot of out-of-pocket money, okay? We can build headers that come out from the side and then come down. We can build top load. We can build on an angle inlet. So this is H-style, but it's on an angle in order to meet the cutout and to the header so you have a straight path. So basically, it's a 3,500 pounds pressure rated. It's a quad, we call the super quad, which is 3/8 heavy walled stainless tubing, and it's in a parallel arrangement. Look us up on Google Patents, and we can show you the best heater in the market today. If you have any issues with wanting to know where this can go and where this heater can go, it's 18 inches long by 8 6/16 OD, so it's Schedule 10 stainless pipe housing. And save your money. If you can't afford a truck mount, we'll help you build one for you using our really terrific heating system that's been well known for the last 18 years, and it's worldwide recognized. We even did the ProChem aftermarkets as well. Again, we can change the direction of the header. It doesn't have to be coming to the side. It can come to the right, or it can come in the middle. Either way. Our truckmountstore.com 24/7 website has a lot of scenarios that will help you along the way of installing the greatest heater ever made. And the beauty of it is, don't sweat high pressure. So many of the manufacturers are cutting off that high pressure end because they're using that cheap tube and fin copper crap that really will pop and fracture. So they deliberately bleed it off with an automatic bleeder in the manifold that eventually trickles back into your water box. But we will teach you how to control heat. We'll make that truck mount make you money, give you great heat. We can even give you ideas about the vacuum system, about differentials and what that means to your unit. Never starve the inlet. If you start out with 2.5, you leave at 2.5, and you go out the front of the machine at 2.5. Zero differential means that you're not going to lose CFM, high friction heat that can damage your inside components of your timing gears, as well as overheat your rotor shaft and bearings. You want to keep this machine running right, so you guys, you garage builders out there, will help make that garage built unit do the job that it's supposed to do at a minimal cost to you. So check us out online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. And again, we can do a top load right here. We can do a D-style. We can do the side or on an angle. Either way that it works for you, send us your pictures and we can give you the ideas. And we have great customer service and communication, because communication is what it's all about. Call us today at 727-505-2989 and we'll hit you up with the best unit that you could possibly find for commercial heat. We're the only one in the industry, and that's why we're on the top of the search engines. My name is Pete Garland, owner and originator of Access Point and Blue Baron Truck Mounts. Call us today, 727-505-2989. Thank you.